Hello and welcome to another video where we will unleash your earning potential and make $1.4 thousand per day even as a beginner, just by reading free text. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Hey there, are you ready to learn a fantastic way to make over $100 in just a few hours? Keep watching this video because I'm about to reveal a method that lets you keep receiving money repeatedly. It's incredible because anyone can do it. You don't need to be a pro or have any special skills. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can still make some extra cash with this method. So why not give it a shot and see how it works for you? You're in for an exciting opportunity that can boost your earnings and put some extra dollars in your pocket. Let's dive right in and get started. Alright folks, let me introduce you to a fantastic website called HireSign.com. It's your go-to place for finding work-from-home opportunities that earn you some serious cash. And the best part? It's super easy to navigate and find jobs matching your skills and financial goals. Registering on HireSign is entirely free, so no worries there. You'll discover a wide range of job opportunities with ambitious startups and well-known global brands. It's like your one-stop shop for finding the work you want and building rewarding relationships in online work. Now, let's look at some of the exciting job opportunities they offer. If you're good with typing, you can earn $4 to $6 per page by completing typing assignments on MS Word or similar software. Proofreading jobs pay $5 to $10 per page for all you grammar gurus out there. Just edit MS Word files and spot those spelling and grammar errors. Easy peasy. There are even survey jobs where you can make $5 to $50 per survey by sharing your opinions on products and services you use. For creative minds, online graphic designing jobs pay $15 to $40 per assignment. Create awesome designs using Photoshop and export them to various file formats. For PowerPoint wizards, you can earn $3 per slide by preparing eye-catching presentations with animation and sound effects. If you're a spreadsheet whiz, spreadsheet entry jobs pay 2 to 4 cents per cell for preparing and modifying tables in MS Excel. Wait, there's more. If you have a knack for voice recognition, you can make $15 to $40 per assignment by converting medical prescription slips into textual and audio formats. You can also earn 5 cents per ad posted by doing online advertisements. In today's video, we'll focus on proofreading jobs, which pay handsomely for your keen eye. And guess what? I've got a cool trick to help you breeze through the process, even if you're worried about English skills. Alright folks, it's time to take action and apply for that awesome online proofreading job. Don't worry, it's much easier than you might think. Compared to others, the great thing about this website is that it offers competitive pay ranging from $5 to $10 per page, which exceeds the US average hourly wage for proofreaders. Plus you get the flexibility to work when and where you want in any time zone. It's a massive virtual work network giving you the opportunity to connect with some of the world's top English proofreaders. Now, let's get started with the sign-up process. It might be a bit tricky, but pay close attention and we'll guide you through it step by step. Once you've clicked on the proofreading jobs link, scroll down to find the Apply to be an online proofreader button. Click on it and you'll be taken to the next page. Keep scrolling down and click on the link for step 2 right away. Then, you'll be directed to yet another page where you should scroll down again until you see the Proceed to Application section. Select Apply Now, and finally, you'll land on the page where you can proceed with your actual application. Now, this is a crucial part of the process, so make sure you stick to it. Following through with the application shows that you're serious about the job. Fill out all the necessary information being asked of you, and once you're done, hit Register. And within 24 hours, you can expect to receive acceptance and files for proofreading. And here's the exciting part, our bonus trick that'll make your life even easier. This little gem will practically do all the work for you, so you won't have to lift a finger. Seriously, it's a game changer. So go ahead and give it your best shot. Apply confidently, knowing you have what it takes to succeed in this fantastic opportunity. Remember, this job offers competitive pay and the freedom to work on your own terms. Get ready to embark on a rewarding journey as an online proofreader and enjoy the satisfaction of making money while doing something you love. Get started now and unlock your full potential as a proofreading pro. You've got this. Now if you're enjoying this video and want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Now, remember that sample file we talked about earlier? That's the one we'll be working on. And once we complete the job, we'll get paid $20. And guess what? You can even do up to 10 of these in just 1 hour. Imagine that, making $200 so quickly. Now, it's essential to expect the file given to you to have many errors and mistakes. But no worries, because we've got a powerful tool at our disposal: Google Docs. If your employer sends you an MS Word file, just open it, copy the content, and paste it into Google Docs. This fantastic platform will highlight all the different types of mistakes found in the document, underlining them for you to see. The best part is that Google Docs can automatically suggest corrections for those highlighted errors. All you have to do is click on the words or lines, and the suggested correction will appear just above. It's as simple as clicking on the corrections, and voila! The mistakes are automatically fixed. Your job will be a breeze, as you can scan the documents and watch out for those highlighted or underlined words. Just like that, you'll have the job done with ease, and you'll be well on your way to making that sweet $200 in no time. Of course, giving the document one final read-through after making all the automatic corrections is always a good idea, just to ensure everything's perfect. Once you've double-checked, you're good to go. Easy money in the bank. So, get ready to impress with your proofreading skills and let Google Docs be your trusty sidekick in this money-making journey. It's an efficient and rewarding way to put your keen eye for detail to good use while earning some serious cash. With each job completed, you'll gain more confidence and experience, making the process even smoother and more lucrative. Now go ahead and seize the opportunity to make money by correcting those errors like a pro. The potential is limitless, and you have what it takes to excel in this job. So let's dive in and start earning those well-deserved rewards. It's time to shine. As we end this exciting journey, it's truly remarkable how powerful tools can transform a simple task into a rewarding money-making opportunity. Armed with the knowledge of HireSign.com, an incredible platform offering many work-from-home options, we discovered the potential to earn more than we could have imagined. The prospect of becoming an online proofreader, earning a competitive income of $5 to $10 per page, quickly became a reality. With flexible hours and the ability to work from anywhere in the world, we found ourselves in the driver's seat of our own financial success. Once we took the leap and applied for the job, we were greeted with a sample file that held the key to unlocking a stream of income. But the ingenious use of Google Docs truly elevated our game. Its intuitive features made us effortlessly identify and correct errors, making the entire process feel like a breeze. With each passing hour, we could imagine ourselves correcting not just one, but up to many files as we could, bringing in more cash with ease. And the beauty of it all was the simplicity. Google Docs did the heavy lifting for us, presenting automatic corrections for those highlighted mistakes. Our job became streamlined and efficient, giving us the time and confidence to double-check and ensure that our work was pristine. The opportunity to earn a substantial income while honing our skills was a revelation. We had discovered a side hustle that paid well and allowed us the freedom to work on our own terms and our own pace. The journey was not just about making money, but about embracing innovation, leveraging powerful tools, and harnessing our unique skills to carve a path to financial independence. We now know that earning money can be both fulfilling and enjoyable, especially when we have the right tools. So, to all those seeking a lucrative and gratifying way to make money, consider this opportunity as more than just a job. It's a chance to thrive in a supportive work environment and take control of your financial future. Embrace the tools that make the job a little easier and let your determination lead you to an excellent money-earned bank. As we conclude this journey, remember that every step forward is an investment in yourself and your potential. The possibilities are boundless and the rewards are within your grasp. So seize this opportunity, let your passion guide you, and watch as you unlock a world of earnings and fulfillment. Here's to taking the leap, embracing innovation, and making money with ease, all while enjoying the journey along the way. Cheers to an empowered and prosperous future. Let's get out there and make it happen. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.